Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarang Menon Academy. In this video, we'll be discussing about the naming rules for variables in C. So let's get started. So what are the rules for naming variables in C? In C, we can't give any name to a variable. There are some rules for it. So what are those rules? The first rule is that variables shouldn't start with a number or any special character, but there's an exception. The only special character which is exempt from this rule is underscore. We can begin variables with underscores, and we can also put numbers in variables, but we cannot put it at the beginning. We can put it in the middle or at the end. If we cannot start a variable with a number or any other special character except for underscores. So let's try it out to check whether the rule is correctly applied or not. So let's create a function main. Inside it I'll create a variable called x1 equal to 1, and then if I print x1, if I run the code, this will print 1. But if I try to create a variable called 1x and store 1, and if I print 1x, it will throw an error. As you can see, it throws an error for us, and it shows invalid. See, this is invalid. That means we can't start a variable with a number. Now let's try to create a variable with underscore. Now underscore will work. So I'll just try to print with underscore %d underscore x. So for now I'm just commenting out this line for 1x, otherwise it will throw an error. I'll just comment it from here also. As you can see, it prints 1 and 1. Let me just give it in a new line so that you will be able to see it clearly. As you can see, it is printing correctly. That means we can also use underscore. But if I try to create a variable called, let's say, bracket x, or let's say bracket x itself equal to 1. So bracket is a special character, or percentage, let's take it as percentage. And if I try to print, let's give it a new line also. If I try to print %x, it will result in an error. As you can see, it's again giving invalid syntax. So that means only alphabets and underscores are allowed at the beginning of a variable. So these are the rules we need to keep in mind while naming a variable in C. So that concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and do also share this with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.